Welcome all of my family and friends. Welcome to Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. You're here with the one and only Smokepot as usual. As you know, I told you I'm in the country in Jamaica and I'm not in the mood to go in the kitchen right now. So I'm going to do a little thing on the outside and grill up some things. I got some steel that I had and I created this bootlegged grill. Don't laugh. As long as I get it lit and I get my thing grilled, it will be okay. So don't worry, I use what I had and this is where I'm at right now. So what I plan to do now, I'm going to use, because I don't have everything I need, I'm going to use some banana leaves. And I have an idea about using some fever grass, or as you know, they call it lemongrass, right? They call it lemongrass. So we're going to be using that and see how the flavor comes out. As you can see, this is a whole lot of fever grass, lemongrass that I have. So I'm just going to get some. So we're going to use them in what we're doing. So we're going to get some of the fever grass. Alright, and as you can see, we have a lot of banana trees all about. So we're going to get some of the banana leaf also. So we have banana leaves and we have some lemongrass, and we are going to use them and hopefully get some of the flavors from these into the chicken. The water setting up. I want to move this plant, but I love it so much. It's called a croton. It's beautiful. So we're going to wash these nicely. Nephew, how are you? We're going to be cooking. We're talking to the people. Yes, we're talking to everybody. Yes. So we're going to take these now and we are going to use it as the base where I'm going to put the chicken, and then I'm also going to cover it with some more banana leaves. So I'll keep you posted as to what's going. Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. Smokepot.
Balance.
Yes, family. As you can see, we start the fire. As ugly as it looks, the fire started. And now, as I said, I'm using some banana leaf. And as we call it fever grass, you guys call it lemongrass. So I'm gonna put that on top of it. Remember guys, we're hoping it works. Right? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put my chicken on top of that. Then I'm gonna cover it with some more fever grass. We're working on, we'll have to pull the fire after then, after I put these on.
Cool it.
Yeah, start the fire high. Fire high.
Yeah, shake out son.
Alright guys. We're just doing a little thing and open it up. And the breeze is for some reason start to blow. So guys, Smokepot trying something new. And hopefully we get it. So this is a banana leaf, lemongrass leaf, jerk chicken, Smokepot style. Alright? So stay tuned. I know that Smokepot Balance Kitchen up and running, trying a new thing again. So remember, share, like and subscribe. So now guys, I'm going to put some of my, as you see we have a whole farm of lemongrass. I'll take some for you guys. So now we're going to cover the chicken with lemongrass. Alright, and then we're going to put some more banana leaves. So what should happen is the chicken should be infused with the flavor from the lemongrass and also from the banana. So we're going to keep it on a relatively low temperature, right? And hopefully it comes out right. All my family is here, they'll be able to tell you guys, because they don't tell lies.
Never tell a lie, man.
Blessed Lord.
Balance.
Family and friends, as you know, we are doing a little jungle cooking and things. So right now, we're about to turn the chicken, so my banana leaves getting a bit crystallize, so I'm gonna change them as we go. But I'm gonna definitely fit these right now. So what the chicken is looking like right now. As you know, we have a whole farm of fever grass. So we're gonna replace them. Let those go in the fire. We ain't got a problem with that. So you can see that they're very moist. They're really soaking. The fever grass is really soaked. It's producing a lot of steam. You can see like the breast meat, you see it's getting a little brown. So it's coming on. Alright, so we're gonna flip them. Also doing some, at this time I'm also doing some fever grass. At fever grass I'm doing some fish, the smoke and I guess all of that. So now I'm gonna put some red stripe, and it's traditional. So I have my red stripe right here. Where, as I say, it's jungle style, so we just have to do what we gotta do to open this. We ain't got nothing to open it. Alright, there we go. So now, one to drink and one for the chicken. Alright guys. Coming on. So now I'm gonna get some fresh banana. Let me finish this beer. Finish this beer. Happy birthday to me. Bless. Very refreshing. Red stripe beer, very cold. You can't beat that. So I'm gonna get some more banana leaf and some more fever grass leaf to put over it. So I catch you in a minute. Just keep watching Smokepot and Balance. Jelly after run. Yes family, so as you see, we're drinking jelly. We have some lemongrass tea boiling inside. Putting on some work. I'm getting an next banana leaf right there. Don't want a lot because it's causing the chicken to be very moist. And I soon reach a point where I want the chicken to start getting firm. So this is it. This is good enough. Gonna wash this properly and then cover the chicken and just leave it to continue jerking. And very soon I'm gonna show you the fish soup that I'm doing. I'm gonna let you see what I'm doing. So I eat that. So after this soup, put now and everything, you know. So all you do now, some of the mice, when you reach a point with some of the mice you want to get rid of, you take out the top piece.
You get that evaporate. Big up with you. Yeah.
Yes, family. Right now I'm gonna be getting some things ready for the fish soup. So as you can see, I have some corn. This is some white yam. I got some cocoa. I got some sweet potato. This is some chayote, or we call it chocho. And we have some turnip. Plus I'm gonna make some small boiled dumplings. So I'm gonna be cutting these up and then have them ready for the fish soup. As I told you, we're in the jungle. So we just created this table right here, as you can see. Right, where we're doing our stuff. We're just working with what we could find. And as you can see, we do nothing without Mr. J. Also get his cousin Campari. Alright? And it's just beer vibes. We have some chasers. And the whole family is here. Alright, this is what we call cocoa. Dasheen looks like this also, but this is purple. The dasheen is white, but it's the same. And the dasheen is also round. The cocoa is long. So, and while we're doing this, our chicken is there marinating. So big things going on. You know, Smokepot Earth Strong. You know, just relaxing, enjoying the moment. One life, and we try to live it and live it good, alright? So stay tuned, continue to follow. Very soon I'm gonna start doing some live on TikTok, and I keep you guys posted with that. Got water. Water there for me. Alright, that is the fish soup. Strong. Right now I think I have too much food. I'm gonna have to boil this food in a separate pot. As you can see, the night is coming down and off. But we're doing our thing, having a good time. So now I'm gonna look at the chicken one more time. It should be there where it should be able to be eaten. You can see all the mice on it right now. Just look at that. Just look at that. You can get rid of the fever grass now. We have enough lemongrass that's soaked in it. So we can remove that. I know it's soaked. It just, I'm gonna leave it open so it catch a little color. Let me check the other side. But it's not looking bad at all. Yeah. We can take a little taste test. You see, too, it's slow cook, as I was telling you earlier. Yeah. You want to have that slightly, almost pinkish color. Yeah. All when you do it for 2 hours, but it cook because it's slow cook. As I say, it's slightly on the pinch of salty side, but it's not peppery. It's just slightly peppery. But me taste a little flavor. Yeah. The taste is small, the taste is smoke, and it's cooked. And you taste also you taste a flavor, which I think that's the fever grass. Yeah. So we're gonna give it just a few more open so that it catch the color a little bit more. But basically, guys, we have the whole crew, the fish is bubbling, and in a minute everybody gonna be eating and telling you guys how it came out. But it's very moist, it's soft, and that's the breast part. Yeah. Open. Our family, as you can see, chicken brown and looking nice and everything. Tasted it earlier, soaked nice, my style. Some of the family will be waiting a little bit, but as you can see, look at that wing, look at the color. Golden brown, you can't get more than that, all right? So I'm gonna taste it right now and then let you guys know you've been waiting. I'll let you guys know exactly what's going on, all right? So now you're looking at our banana leaf fever grass jerk chicken, one of a kind. Never see that before. Smokepot alone do them thing there, all right? So let me take a taste. Right now the smell is just like I'm in heaven. Listen to me, guys. Flavor, flavor, flavor. Straight to the bone. I'm not exaggerating. Half the charge. I don't know if you'll be able to duplicate it because of the amount of fever grass that we put in it and the amount of banana leaf. But if you are able to, use it up and tell me. I'm gonna start to outline the recipe a little bit more and you guys try it. But I'm telling you, it's seasoned to the bone. It's not too spicy. I personally would have wanted a little more spice to it, right? But everybody tasting this right now is gonna be blown away. So guys, remember, it's Smokepot and Balance alone do this crazy thing. The jerk chicken with banana leaf and some fever grass, or as they call it, fever grass, basically, or
lemongrass.
Lemongrass, yeah. Yeah, lemongrass, fever grass, it's the same thing. Don't get it confused. Beautiful for tea, but now it's also great for jerking. So remember, Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. Share, like, subscribe, and on TikTok, check me out same way, Instagram, Facebook, I'll be going live on TikTok soon with my meals. So one love, peace out.